Okay, welcome back to tutorial video for NFA 2. This is in this module we will learn step 4, diet planning for town R. Before we start this module, let's review. Let's have a quick review for the previous step we have already completed. Okay, this is what we have done during the last module. Define season and confirm food availability. This is the definition of the season in the target area. There are 3 seasons. And this is a list of commodity available in the target area. And color indicates availability of each commodity for different season. So this is what we have done. And then after you complete this, we are going to step 4. Actually, this step 4 is a main part of this application to evaluate a conventional diet and discuss about possible improvement by modifying a combination of commodity or add additional crops. So in this module, we will do from the beginning up to evaluation of conventional food, conventional diet in the local area. Okay, in this screen, you can see 2 tables. One is one is the information about town R, and next one, this one. It is read as a target group, and there are 6 target group you have selected previously. You can click any one of them, one of these. Let's click first one, and now you will see the list of crops available in the target area at the season of here spring, and you can go back and forth to different season by clicking next or previous. So spring, winter, autumn, there are 3 seasons, and crop availability is different by season. Okay. So what we are going to do is to assess nutrient balance of typical diet in the locality. And for this exercise, I selected one popular dish in Ethiopia, dorowat. It's here. Okay, you can see the recipe. This is a recipe I got from the internet recipe site. So this is the ingredient of dorowat for 1 serving together with injera. So the ingredient includes chicken, onion, egg, chicken broth, white wine, olive oil, butter, garlic, ginger, lemon juice, Ethiopian bele, spices and salt, and lastly teff for injera. So, and this is the volume required. So this is for 1 adult, 1 serving. Okay. Now we will put this information, type of crop and volume in this application to assess nutrient balance for this diet. And we assume that since this is a serving for 1 meal, let's assume we will have two of these, two dorowat per day. to set. So double volume of this each number will be input and will be compared with nutrition need for the target group. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so since the recipe is for adult, let's choose the adult male in this case. And what we will do is to look at the recipe and put information, each information. Okay, let's start from, okay. So you can also use filter to narrow down the commodity. Okay, first item is chicken, so it's under fresh foods. Chicken meat. But if you click the name of the chicken, new screen dialog box will appear to determine the quantity of this selected commodity, which is chicken in this case. So chicken, one serving is 200 grams. So for the one day, two meal means 400 grams. And to determine the volume, you can change the number of apples like this, like this, like this. And in this setup, one apple is equivalent to 30 grams. So 400 grams is equal to, let's say, 400 grams, 10, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so roughly say this is a serving, ingredients requirement for 2 meals per day for adult. For this circle and phrase, I will explain later. Okay, so after you put the number, you set the number, you click change value. Now you can see, about 400 grams of chicken provide 702 kilocalories of energy and 76 grams of protein and 74 grams of vitamin A and 74 microgram of vitamin A and 3 milligram of iron. Okay, and this is a total number. I will explain later. Okay, after chicken, onion, egg. Okay, let's say let's go to egg first. Egg. In case of egg, 44 per meal and 88 per day. So around 90 means 3 apples is about 90 grams. So we can say 3 portion and change value. Okay, so we can add also egg. And okay, let's show. By clicking this button, you can hide and unhide. This is all the available commodity, and until you set the volume, all of this item will be just a 0. And now I add a chicken and egg, so only chicken and egg has a number. and you can hide zero value and can check what you have a set value. And in this table now you can see chicken meat 390 gram and egg 890 gram. Overall, it can supply 826 kilocalorie of energy, 87 gram of protein, 218 microgram of vitamin A, and 4 milligram of iron. And the color indicates, red color indicates nutrition supply is less than half of the requirement. And green indicates it's already satisfies the daily requirement. Yeah, same as red one. Okay, so okay, let's move on. Chicken, egg, and onion. Also onion. Onion is under category of other fruits and vegetables. Oh, we do not see onion. So, okay. Sorry, I have to unhide. And other fruits and vegetables. And onion. Oh, I cannot find onion. Oh, okay. Probably I forgot to include onion as available crop in this area. We can easily add another commodity if we realize we have forgot to register commodity. So we can go back to slide 3, but step 3. But before that, I have to save current input. I have input 2 commodity. So I have to save current status. And then go back to step 3 and to add onion. Probably I forgot. Oh, there is. I see. Onion is not available in the target area because of agroclimatic condition. Then, yeah, it's unfortunate, but we have to accept it. Okay, let's go back to step 4 and continue putting the information. Oh, adult male. So after onion, butter, daily products and butter, 7 gram, 14 gram. The requirement is 14 gram, and 1 apple is 30 grams. So in this case, we have to change the 1 portion size. 30 gram is too big for the butter. So let's change it like 5 gram for 1 portion. Currently, 1 portion is 30 gram, but in case of butter, 1 portion, I changed it 1 portion as 5 gram. So now 1 apple indicates 5 gram, and volume of butter required is 14 gram. So it's like about three apples, meaning 15 gram. Okay, let's register it. Okay, I add butter and garlic next. Or just show everything. Garlic. If we have it, yes, it's here. Garlic. And garlic, just 2 grams. So again, this portion is too much since requirement is just 2 grams. I would say I would change it. One portion is 2 grams, and in this case, just one apple is good enough. So I add butter, butter or garlic. Yeah, butter and garlic. Garlic also done, and lemon juice. Lemon is no, you can just use lemon. By the way, you can sort items by name, by energy content, by protein volume, vitamin A volume, iron volume, and total weight. So I'm currently looking for lemon, and here, oh no, lemon is also not available in this target area. Okay, that's fine. And spice, salt. Unfortunately, spice and salt is not listed in this food composition table. And lastly, we'll add teff for injera. And one serving is 40 grams. So two serving 80 grams. About 3 apples. All right. So this is it. I can hide their value. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 food item. No, 5. 5 food item is selected as ingredients. Unfortunately, onion was not available, and some other small one. Salt, spice is also not included, and also oil. Olive oil is not included. But anyway, we can check the nutrient supply by combining these commodities in accordance with the recipe. The nutrition supply, total nutrition supply is like this. Energy less than half compared with nutrition demand. And protein supply, it's good. Exceed requirement. And vitamin A less than half. And no, more than. Is it more than or less than? Yeah, more than half. A bit more than half. And red color indicates less than half. So iron is still less than half certification. Okay, this is a bar chart to show the satisfaction of nutrient demand. In case of energy, a bit more than 50%. Yeah, this is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, a bit more than 50%. And in case of protein, it exceeds well exceeds the requirement, 42 grams per day. And vitamin A, it's like 60% of requirement, and iron 29%. So from this evaluation, what we can see is iron, total energy, and vitamin A is still lacking. But in case of energy, we don't need to worry, because in this combination, the oil and some other commodity is not included because of lack of information or lack of available commodity. Especially onion is not included. Yeah. So those are the area to be enhanced. And this is another variation, dietary diversity. So out of 8 food groups, already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 type of food is already included in the this is dorobat dish. Yes. So what this indicates is, in terms of dietary diversity, this is already okay. More than 4 and 5. And but if we look at each nutrient one by one, we can observe there are still nutrition gap to be filled. However, dietary diversity cannot explain all these surplus and deficiency by each different energy type, no, nutrient type. So that is a limitation of dietary diversity. And this one is a macronutrient balance. Carbohydrate, 26%, and protein, 44%, and fat, 30%. Ooh, this is very much protein-rich diet. Ooh. This one source of food. This is what I skipped explanation. Yeah. Yeah. For the current version, we don't need to consider this panel. Okay. So after you put all the information, let's save it. And the first half of this step 4 is done. Thank you very much.